guys, the leaves are falling like it is raining leaves behind me. Hi, you guys. Today I want to tie up the arborvitaes because I noticed during our first big snowfall, they started to splay out and I don't want that to happen to them. So these are the arborvitaes I'm talking about. And once heavy snow gets on them, which we get tons of heavy snow, sometimes we expect over a foot of snow at a time, that snow weighs the top of these trees down and they just splay out at the top. Like they literally will do like that. And if you don't get after it soon enough, you can have a limb break off, and you don't want that. It's just gonna make your arborvitaes look thin and not good. So we are going to tie these up. I purchased this soft tie on Amazon. I'll leave it linked in the description box of this video, but I felt like this would be great for the trees. One, because it's green, so it should blend in, kind of, I guess. I mean, it's not even close to the same color green. But it also won't damage the trunk because this wire is coated in some type of like plastic, which makes it super soft, which I think will protect the trees over winter. And the plan is to tie them up probably in 3 different places: down at the base, in the center, and then up at the top. And I'm not gonna tie them too tight, but I do wanna make sure that I tie them tight enough to where the tree isn't gonna be able to splay outwards, because that's the whole point. All right, let's get after this and then we'll plant some more arborvitaes. I mean, that one is tied up and I think it looks pretty good. You can see the string a little bit towards the top, but I really felt like I needed to tie them up super tight at the top because that's where we're having the splaying out problem. So let's get after the last of them. Wow, that one looks like in so much of a better shape now. Looks like a Christmas tree. Yeah, as I tie them up, they just look so much better. Like they look like they're in like a better form. Wow, looks like they're like completely different than the rest of them. Those just look so fat and those look so well shaped. Oh my gosh, there's a tag in this tree. And these are the arborvitaes all tied up. I honestly think that they look better than they did when they weren't tied up. I mean, I hate seeing a little bit of the green string, but honestly, this one has the most egregious green strings showing. And truly, this is the one that I can't see from the house because it's so close to the house. It's literally right here. So out the window, you can't even see it. But the other ones look fairly hidden. And I think that these look so good, and I think that they'll hold up to the snow a lot better than if I weren't to have tied them up. Yeah, once your arborvitaes get to be about over 3 feet, you kind of have to start tying them up if you live in a place where you get really heavy snow loads. And honestly, even if you don't get like super heavy snow loads, if you get snow occasionally, I would go ahead and just tie up your arborvitaes. Anything over 1 inch can really start to get them to splay out. They're not the strongest trees in the world as far as their wood and trunk goes. I ordered these 2 beautiful arborvitaes from Home Depot. These are only 2.25 gallons, so they should fit well in the urns outside on each of the corners of the property. And I cannot wait to add twinkle lights to them because that's just gonna be so pretty and Christmassy, right? I was also really impressed with ordering these in November, that they came in and they look so fresh and big and healthy. Love that. Because my Home Depots didn't even get arborvitaes in for Christmas. I've seen so many garden YouTubers do videos at like Home Depots and Lowe's where they're showing their holiday containers, and every single one of them got arborvitaes in. And for some reason, Colorado didn't, but we have Leyland cypresses, which aren't even hardy in my zone. So I don't even know. I don't know. Oh, there's a giant stone in here. Oh, that's one of those pathway stones. Oh my gosh. I was like, why can I not? Oh my goodness. Okay, that's helpful. Yeah, I just think this obelisk needs to go. It doesn't make sense for this tree. Yeah, that looks so much better. Yeah, I think this little arborvitae looks cute, and it'll look so cute with twinkle lights on it too. I just love rounding the corner, seeing the yellow leaves of the elm tree, and then in the distance, the urn with the emerald green arborvitae. It looks so, so good.